Sorry, it looks like the circular Hue Bridge is no longer supported. Please visit the Philips Hue support website for more information.
So my Hue Bridge is no good. But doesn't mean can't use the Hue app still with the first gen bridge living room lamp on. So it's probably time to upgrade. Alright, so here we are with our Amazon package. Obviously you all probably know what this is. We have a certified refurbished Philips Hue Bridge 2. Certified refurb. So, Smart Bridge, Google Assistant renewed, version 2. So, this bridge will work with my Philips Hue lighting to replace my version 1 bridge. Now, keep an eye out for these when you guys shop for these on Amazon if you are somebody like me that will be needing to upgrade to a new bridge. Reason I say that is because this is about 20 bucks less than what it would cost you to pick it up at the store. Literally, like $20 less. Like, you can go to Home Depot and find a brand new bridge, version 2 bridge. Yeah, you're looking at probably $59.99. I picked up this refurb. Thank you for choosing certified refurbished on Amazon. This is a Windsor certification refurb. Philips Hue personal wireless lighting, yada yada. Obviously, here is our new brick, and we actually have, we have Philips Hue writing on it, so it is a real deal. This is for if we need to swap out our plug configuration for a different country. We have our cat cable, and this should be a cat. It says T60. It should be a Cat 5. Let's see if it actually tells us. Yep. Cat 5E. And here is the bridge. So this is a rebuilt. Any flaws with it have been taken care of. Get a lovely bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. So there we are, our new bridge with our icons that will, I believe, light up, and our bottom port. And it is that simple. And we can set up on the wall. So all our information that we might need. We will go ahead and get this plugged in, and let's get this puppy up and running. So as you can see in the photo here, I have both Philips Hue bridges plugged in to a switchboard. That way I am able to transfer the data from the original version 1 bridge to the second version bridge. Using the Philips Hue app made quick work of this, and within maybe a minute or 2 minutes I was done with the switch. Just make sure you erase the original bridge.